Most companies think OSHA exists just to prevent fines, but the truth is, the real purpose of OSHA is much bigger. If you're a business owner or safety leader, understanding OSHA's mission can completely change how you approach safety on your job site, in your shop, or in the field. So let's break it down. OSHA stands for the Occupational Safety and Health Administration. It was created to make sure every worker in the United States has a safe workplace free from recognized hazards that can cause serious injury or death. And OSHA does this through a very clear framework. OSHA's purpose comes down to 3 core responsibilities. These 3 elements are the foundation of every OSHA regulation, every inspection, and every training requirement. So why does OSHA exist in the first place? Before OSHA was created, workplace fatalities and injuries were dramatically higher. There were no national standards, no training expectations, and no clear employer responsibilities. OSHA brought consistency, accountability, and a legal foundation for protecting workers. This cycle is what every employer is responsible for. Hazards, controls, training, documentation, and continuous improvement. OSHA expects all 5. And this is where many companies struggle. Not because they don't care, but because keeping up with training, documentation, inspections, and corrective actions can be overwhelming. Let's look at a few quick examples. Construction, falls, scaffolding, heavy equipment. OSHA requires fall protection, training, inspections, and documentation. Service companies, HVAC techs, electricians, plumbers, confined spaces, electrical hazards, lockout-tagout. Manufacturing, chemical exposure, machine guarding, noise. OSHA requires hazard communication, PP assessments, and annual training. These aren't just rules, they're systems for preventing real injuries. These 5 responsibilities apply to every employer, whether you're a construction company, service business, manufacturer, or small shop. If your company needs OSHA 10, OSHA 30, or other safety courses, if you want a digital system that tracks inspections, hazards, training, and documentation, or if you want hands-on consulting support, Safety Evolution can help you build a safer, compliant workplace. To dive deeper into OSHA's purpose and what employers need to know, check out our full article below. And if you found this helpful, share it with another safety leader.